Hello and welcome. How you all doing? My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So today's unboxing is all about the Balanced Lifestyle box. They have all sorts of choices. I think they have a food box, a pantry box, a men's box, a woman's box. So I have the Balanced Lifestyle box, which I think is kind of like a home box. So new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, tap the like button so you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And of course, if you're returning, I appreciate your loyalty. I just appreciate you in general. And let's get into the video. So I am making a roast and potatoes in the crock pot, and it is smelling so good. So I hope it tastes as good as it smells. And I cut this open. Oh, this was kind of a tricky one. I cut it open, but I have to open it from the side. So I don't know if the box got like broken in transit or if it's just my funky way of opening boxes. And I don't know how I torture these boxes. I see some ladies, they open them super smooth, no problems. And then there's the challenged one, which is me. Oh. So I hope nothing crawls out of this box as I'm opening it from the side. And I want to say, and they always have deals. They have like 20% off, 30% off, sometimes 50% off. You can get boxes for as low as $15. So it's just one of those, you might cancel it, but then you see these great deals and it's like, oh, I need to subscribe again. So I can't remember. Everything will be listed below how much I paid for this. The first thing that I'm taking out is a scalp treatment. And if you're any type of follower to my channel, you know I'm always working on my hair. So any type of scalp, anything to get my hair thicker, I'm all in for. And usually they put them in a dropper bottle, as this one. Oh my gosh, I can almost smell it from the outside. And this smells delish. And it has all sorts of good stuff that if I put my glasses on, maybe I can read it. So let's see what's in here. It has Simola, Simosia, jojoba oil, black cumin oil, cranberry seed oil. It has definitely a lot of oils, tea tree essential oils, and it's vegan and organic. So that's fine with me. And then the next product, oh, it's a bunch of measuring cups. Now, I do have a ton of measuring cups. I'm not one that cooks that often, so I don't need like a bunch of them, but these are really nice. They have the copper. Sorry, I'm crunching. So I might have to put these in a giveaway because they're really kind of pretty. And I just don't have like the kitchen space to organize all that kind of stuff. I have one spot for the measuring cups and that's it. So there's no room for any more measuring cups, but I do like them. And then we have another bottle of something fun. This is Aromamere Sandalwood can't pronounce it, turmeric. Is that how you pronounce it? It's a hand and body soap. And I know that's supposed to be really good for you. And I just opened another box and I got hand and body soap, and that's actually going in the giveaway. So if you like a good hand and body soap, make sure you check out that video. because it is going in the giveaway. So I do like that. They have it packaged really good, so I can't smell it. Let's see if I can see what's in it. It's bath friendly, sulfate free, gluten free, and vegan. So you gotta like that. And then there's like all these goodies in here. I'm just afraid something's gonna reach out and bite me. And then we have Simply Balanced Hydration Ultima Replacement Electrolyte Mix. Oh, and there's like 3 in here. And I do use those with my water. So I do appreciate these. And you just throw a packet in with your water. And right, there's 0 carbs, 0 sugar, 0 calories. I don't know what flavors are in here. They're keto friendly, but it looks like a lemon, a strawberry, and maybe another type of berry. So those are good to have. Then I have a big box of something. This is Lumene Finland Nordic Sea Brightening Gel Mask. Oh, we get all sorts of different masks. Everybody does a mask Monday, but this one is different. I had to play with it. It's actually a gel mask, and I have the mask scoopy thing, so I can definitely apply it. Oh, I would love to try this mask. I mean, it is very jelly. It's Fresh Glow, and you just apply this, and obviously to clean skin, and you leave on for 10 minutes, and then you wash it off. So definitely gonna give this one a try. So what do you think so far? As I said, I want to say I paid like maybe $25 or $30 for this box, but it'll all be listed below. And then, oh, I'm afraid I'm gonna drop stuff. Oh, we got a couple more items in here. We got the sticks, Nature Cosmetics, and this is a handbal. And I gotta check it out. My hands have been so dry from just washing dishes, obviously since Thanksgiving. And it's got the little metal thing on here. But these are great sizes too to throw in your purse or just keep by the sink. Ooh. Smells good and clean, and it has a kickback to it, so be careful. It's definitely balmy. So you really have to work it on your hands and blend it in. So that's nice. And then we have the Lash Changer Volume Mascara. And this is by somebody. By Catrice. I haven't heard of this brand, but it's got a very nice packaging to it. So we have a little bit of everything so far in this box. And there's still more. Oh, a foam bath basin moussant, aromatherapy lavender. And I love lavender. I'm just not a huge bath person, but I can't really smell it, but my daughter's coming in town and she is a huge bath person. So I will send that to her goodie box. And then there's a couple things that are hard to get out. And it looks like we have a travel bag, quite a large travel bag. And it looks like it's in a mint green. Oh, is it a backpack? Oh, it's a backpack. It's a really nice backpack. And I'm liking the color. So it's got the pouch for the bottle on each side. And then there's the zipper compartment in the back. It's got the handle on the top, the thing in the back, and then the straps for the backpack. And then you open it. I'm trying to see if it's a cooler backpack. This is a nice one, and I'm really liking the color because it's different. Wow, this is like if you hike, something I really don't do, but we do go on the side-by-side, so I can actually put this in the side-by-side and load it up with water, and we do bring a lot of snacks because we stop a lot on the trails, and this would be perfect. Oh, I'm like, where's the other part of the strap? And it's in there. Wow, I mean, this is worth the price of the box. Here's the other strap. I'll have to look for instructions how to put together a backpack. But look at how nice this is. Here's the front, here's the back. It has all these pockets for the water. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I don't know if you can appreciate, it's like a mint green. So I don't know, but the size is huge. So this came at a good time of year. I mean, you can probably bring this on a plane. You know how they say you can bring one suitcase or one carry-on and one like handbag or whatever? Since we've been flying, people come with the big heavy carry-on that goes overhead, and not just a purse, but they fill up a backpack like this full of stuff and try to shove it underneath their seat. So this is what they're bringing as their handbag. So I can actually probably bring this as my handbag and fill this up with all my stuff. I mean, it's crazy what people are trying to bring onto a plane. So I am loving this. I don't know what else is in the box, but this is my favorite item. So I wonder if it's your favorite item. So we got that, and it all came out of this crazy little box. And we still have a few more things. How crazy is this? And then we got this, I think I've got one of these before, our little step stool. I guess it's just a decoration. You can put a candle on here. You can put salt and pepper shakers on here. It's just a cute little decorative table. And then we got a Lip Food Eco Lip Gloss that you can put in that backpack because your lips get so dry when you're out on your little toys. And then there's some cards in there. I don't know if you can, I think you can go on their website and scan it, and it might tell you everything and the prices, but this was definitely worth the price. So we got a card in here from the natural, I think this was from the hand lotion. So they sent us a little booklet on the hand lotion. And then this is for the mascara. It's called Catrice Cosmetics. And so if you wanted to buy more, they actually have eyes and blushes and everything else. I haven't heard of the brand, but you can get 20% off your first order. So because these boxes are kind of like promotional boxes, they want you to try out different products. The companies offer discounts, and so like for the hand care, you can get more information. So what did you think of this box? I think it's a pretty cool box. I don't think I paid more than $30 for it. So, but all that information will be in the link below. And I have posted other Balance boxes in there. And I think I just ordered another one because they had a holiday special going. So I love their boxes. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And you guys have an awesome day.